Did you know the very first thing you drink in the morning can determine how your body functions all day? Today we'll uncover the science-backed benefits of drinking water in the morning and why doctors around the world recommend it. Stay tuned till the end, because benefit number 5 might surprise you. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. Drinking water right after waking up works like a reset button. It recharges your cells, improves blood flow, and kickstarts your metabolism, preparing your body for the day ahead. Early morning water acts like a natural detox. It helps flush out toxins that your body processed overnight. Doctors say this simple habit improves digestion, prevents constipation, and keeps your gut healthy. Did you know your brain is made up of nearly 75% water? Just one glass in the morning improves alertness, reduces fatigue, and even boosts concentration. That's why people who hydrate early often feel more energetic and focused during work. Morning hydration also supports weight loss. When you drink water before breakfast, it controls hunger, prevents overeating, and speeds up fat burning. Not just that, proper hydration keeps your skin fresh, clear, and naturally glowing. Studies show morning water can reduce the risk of kidney stones, balance blood pressure, and support heart health. Some research even links it with a stronger immune system, giving your body a natural shield against infections. So the next time you wake up, don't reach for coffee first, reach for water. This small step can transform your health in powerful ways. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Bites 60s for more science-backed health lessons. And tell us in the comments, do you drink water first thing in the morning?